Today we're making a delicious dish using Nduja and burrata, so let's do it. First up, we're going to make the sauce. So you want a blender. We also need some Nduja. Nduja is a delicious spicy salami paste from Calabria. So tear in your Nduja, and to the Nduja we're going to want some burrata. So pop your burrata in the blender, tear it up a little bit, and then give that a really quick blitz. After a few moments, once the Nduja and burrata have come together, we're going to want some double cream. Now we don't want to use too much cream, so just add a dash, give it another quick blitz, and when everything is nicely blended up, give it a quick taste. Add any more cream if you need to loosen the sauce up a touch. Add a nice pinch of salt, and then give it another blitzing up for a few moments until it's really nice and smooth. This sauce can be quite thick. When you cook it, it will loosen up and become lovely and saucy. And so once you've made your Nduja and burrata pasta sauce, pour that out into a bowl, and now we can begin to cook. So you want to pop a saucepan on the hob, fill with some water, turn the heat up high, season the water very generously. We literally want it as salty as the sea. And for this dish, we're going to use some lovely dried tagliatelle. So chuck in your pasta, and you want to cook the pasta for 2 minutes less than it says on the packet. We're going to be finishing it off in the sauce to get it perfectly al dente. While your pasta's ticking away, you want to take some basil and some parsley, and you want to finely dice the herbs. So chop your way through them, and then chuck your herbs into a bowl ready to go. Next, we want to prepare a lemon. So take your lemon and cut off a nice few slices. Pop the lemon to one side with the herbs, and at this point the pasta should be just about ready, so give it a taste. Next, you want to take a high-walled frying pan or a saucepan, and you want to chuck the pasta into the pan, add a nice few blobs of your delicious sauce, and give that a really good mixing up. Once the tagliatelle is coated in the delicious Nduja and burrata sauce, you want to add a really good squeeze of the lemon juice, scatter over some of your diced herbs, and then add a ladle of the pasta water. This will help to really make the sauce creamy and delicious. Give everything a really good mix, toss the tagliatelle in the sauce, and you want to spend a minute to reduce the sauce down until it's really nice and thick and delicious. And when you're happy that your pasta is as saucy as you want, we're ready to go. So pile your tagliatelle on the plate, finish with another pinch of the herbs and a grating of Parmesan cheese, and all that's left to do is get stuck in. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.